Alrighty then. We're gonna try something new. This is sheep fence. Sorry, I've got the mower running, but this is sheep fence, and it'll be electrified. And what I've done was I'm gonna cut my pasture in half. The cows and everything are over here, so they're not keeping up with mowing the grass. So I'm gonna isolate this side. I've mowed around the edge so the electric fence isn't affected. And then I'm gonna cut right here, and I'm gonna bring some of the sheep back as well, from out back to the front to work this half of the yard while that side grows up. Quality control is here. Very curious as to what we're doing. Okay, this is pretty cool. I had to jump the mower, so I don't know if you can hear it real bad or not because I have my noise canceling headphones on. But if I shut it off, I'll have to jump it again, so I don't want to do that. But this is pretty awesome. So it just pulls to the next post. You pull it out, you pull it taut, you tap it in. So I think I literally have been doing this for maybe 10 minutes. Didn't take long. Stretch it out, attach it to the other side of the building. My electric fence is de-energized at the moment and discharged, which is important because even once you de-energize an electric fence, it's still holding a charge. So if we take this and clip it to the existing wire, we are now tied in to the power when I energize the fence. I don't need a separate grounding rod because this fence is already grounded. So yeah, and inside this wire you can see there's thin strand that goes through and it energizes every row. So every one of these little rows has metal wire in it except the bottom, and that's where you have to watch for stuff like this, and you have to mow it real low so it doesn't ground out. Alright, plan B. Instead of cutting it here, we're cutting it smaller. We're cutting it across this way. So, according to this, it's a pulse fence, right? So it's intermittently zapping. According to this, we're live. Let's go test it. Oh, good luck on that test.